in this vehicle, car, whatever it's called. The only reason I say this is because I know you're eating. So feel free to eat up. I got between a lady and her chicken on the last time we did this, and I ended up missing a finger. It grew back, but that's okay. So I'm going to leave you alone. I am Raymond DuPont. Pleasure to make your acquaintance. Pleasure for you to see me. If you need me or if you need anything else, please feel free to ask someone else. They'll be happy to look at you funny. You're good. You're good. She hasn't blinked or looked away. I did not mean for this to happen. This is improv. There is no script or safety net. And I randomly change accents for no reason. Champion. Ladies and gentlemen, I will depart this car now. I love you. Yes! Thank you. I'm going to leave you alone, but I shall be back.
They always come back.